We're here today in Sacramento on the corner of Oak Park and Curtis Park at a historical landmark, Gunther's Ice Cream. They've been open in Sacramento since 1940 and actually here at this location since December of 1949. Jugglin' Joe is on top serving up ice cream. Let's go check it out. What's your favorite thing on here?
I really like the Oreo cookie ice cream. What else is good? I like the salted caramel ice cream.
Oh my God. I like all of it.
My name is Jacob. This is my second time at Gunther's, and I've never found a place that has this good of a mint chip ice cream.
Hi, my name is Sophina, and chose to come back to Gunther's because they have really great ice cream.
Good soft serve.
Quality, homemade, made here in Sacramento.
Yeah. Oh my God, it looks so good. That looks really good.